Verimark is a company that's been in business for the last 36 years. Started from very humble beginnings, and we built it up to a business that's today listed on the stock exchange and really has become the benchmark of a very, very unique business model. We pioneered direct response in South Africa probably 22 years ago. That's really a long-form commercial that take the viewer from ignorance to a buying decision in one TV commercial. And that's why you need more, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 28 minutes. We shortly thereafter made research in the US, and we realized that only a small percentage of TV viewers watching a direct response TV commercial will consider to buy the product or phone that number on the screen. It was at the time about 18%. And we then realized there's probably 5 times bigger demand to take those products into stores. We came back and we experimented, and it was a huge success. We literally tenfolded the business over the next 2-3 year period. And that was really the start of integrating direct response television with retail distribution. Today we are a major player in the retail area. We work with most of the retailers. In fact, the stores that we supply is close to 2,000 stores. Verimark has also gone the route of opening our own stores. We have close to 80 company-owned or franchise stores. That is, in short, what we've achieved over the last period. Verimark listed on the stock exchange 7 years ago. As a very entrepreneurial business, it came with huge challenges in the beginning, but we've worked on it and we've made good progress. If we look at the current year, it was unfortunately not one of our better years. In fact, the last 2 year period was a hugely challenging period. The reasons for that is the following: that the rand exchange rate has been worked against us, increasing our cost of product. If you look at the rand rate 2 years ago, May to today, it depreciated with close to 42%, 42 to 45%. That is a substantial impact on your profitabilities. The other issue that had a negative impact is the fact that we outgrown our own facilities, our own operational infrastructure about 2 years ago, and that's when I advised the market that the next year or two will be a consolidating phase for Verimark, which clearly it has been. We operated at one stage out of 4 different locations, 3 warehouses and 1 head office, and that is very unusual for a business like ours, and it made it very, very difficult. The good news is all that disruption is behind us. The move has taken place at the end of January, and we are now all again under one roof. The warehouse is double the size that we had in the previous term, and that is why we look forward and we're excited.